Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, do you have a nice landscape edge or curbing such as mine here? Do you have overgrowth of grass and sprigs all crawling over your beautiful edging? Well, this looks like a job for the Stens Rotary Scissor. Let's put it to the test and let's see how crispy we can get those edges over months and months of growth. And that weed whacker is just not cutting it, folks. So this is Stens Rotary Scissors, and you can attach this to your strimmer as an attachment, accessory, and level up your edging game. This can go deep in and cut right through those roots and that overgrowth and make your edges look brand spanking new. Now, since it's been several months since I've used this tool on this curbing, I'm going to probably do 2-3 passes at a time so I can really get deep in there. And then we'll by hand pull out the excess sprigs, clean it up, and you'll see the after shots. From that point on, in between maintenance, you can just use your strimmer, no problem, just to keep it going, right? But I would say, every 5-6 months or so, come in here with the Stens Rotary Scissors and give it that nice, fresh, deep cut.